Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products out there. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Stanley 33-116 PowerLock 16 feet tape measure, widely regarded as the best Stanley 16 feet tape measure available. Whether you're a professional in the trade or just someone who enjoys working on DIY projects, this tape measure is built to handle it all. Right out of the box, the Stanley 33-116 feels sturdy and well built. Its 16-foot length is perfect for a wide range of tasks. Whether you're measuring a piece of furniture, installing trim, or measuring spaces for renovation, this tape measure provides the length you need without being too bulky. At just 0.4 pounds, it's lightweight enough to be carried around in your tool belt or pocket without weighing you down. One of the standout features of this tape measure is its durable metal case. Not only does it offer protection for the internal mechanism, but it also helps the tape stand up to the rough conditions of job sites. The high-impact case ensures that it can handle the bumps and drops that come with everyday use, making it ideal for professionals who need a tape measure they can trust. The blade of the PowerLock 33-116 measures 3/4 in width, giving it just the right balance of flexibility and sturdiness. Whether you're measuring straight lines or wrapping it around curved surfaces, it stays intact and gives accurate measurements every time. Plus, the blade has a coated finish that resists wear and tear over time, ensuring it remains smooth and easy to use for years to come. Now, when it comes to usability, Stanley has really thought of everything. The tape is designed to retract smoothly and quickly, with a reliable lock that ensures the blade stays in place while you measure. No more struggling to hold the tape in position or worrying about it slipping back into the case. The blade stays exactly where you need it, giving you precision with every measurement. The clear, easy-to-read numbers and markings on the tape make it super convenient for both novice users and seasoned professionals. Whether you're working with feet, inches, or fractions of an inch, the markings are clear and easy to follow, even in low-light conditions. It also features a steel blade that resists kinks, meaning it will stay straight and true no matter how many times you retract and extend it. Finally, the Stanley PowerLock 33-116 comes in a classic yellow design that's easy to spot in any toolbox or on the job site. The bright color ensures you can find it quickly, even in a cluttered workspace. So, if you're looking for a reliable, durable, and easy-to-use tape measure, the Stanley 33-116 PowerLock 16 feet tape measure is an excellent choice. Whether you're a professional contractor, a weekend DIY enthusiast, or anyone in between, this tape measure is built to last and perform under pressure. That wraps up our review of the Stanley 33-116 PowerLock tape measure. If you're interested, be sure to check it out in the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next product review here at Product Critique. Thanks for watching.